In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect RCG Markets to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside the dashboard, go to the account settings on the left-hand side and click on Trading Accounts. When you do that here, you want to add a new account, either a demo or a real one. I'm going to go ahead and start with the demo one, select MT4 as the platform, and then the account, I want the demo. Currency, I'm going to do USD, and then here the account type is just going to be the classic. The password, you want to set the password for your account as well, so let me just type it in here, and then you also have to confirm it, okay? Just like that. So type it in yourself and click on create account, and then your account is going to be created over here, and you'll be able to see it on your trading accounts list, and you'll also receive your login credentials onto your email. Now, whenever you do this here, you want to click on trading platforms, and you can then click on platforms, and here you want to download the MT4 on your computer to actually be able to start connecting it. Okay, of course you could use the web trader as well, but we're just going to download it onto our computer. So I'm going to click on download here. It's going to download the RCG Markets MetaTrader 4 setup. Click on it, and whenever you click on it, it's going to open up this tab over here, this window where you can basically just continue the installation, and then this will just take a few seconds to actually get it installed, and then you'll be able to see your button over here, which is going to say finish, and you will have to click on that to be able to essentially launch it up. So here, there we go, it says finish. Click on finish, and then just wait for a few seconds for this to actually open up here as a separate program on our computer. Okay, and then you have to wait for this to scan, and when the scanning is done, you should be able to actually log in. There we go. Click on this X button, and here you have this terminal. Okay, so what you should do here is just type in your login over here. So this is usually inside your email, and it's a long number, and then also your password that you actually set for yourself, which is this. There we go. And then here, select if it's either a real or a demo account, and then you can save your account info if you want to. I'm not gonna, or of course you can just do it if you want to. Press login, and then you should actually connect into your account just like that. There we go, and you're done. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as
Incoming
well.
mail.